On August 2nd, 2024, the campus buzzed with excitement as educators and students gathered for a hands-on dive into the world of educational robotics. Leading this groundbreaking session was none other than Rajiv Dwivedi, PhD, a US-based scientist and inventor, along with his team member Bharat Dwivedi. Rajiv, the lead coach and founding member of Robotics for Everyone, is on a mission to revolutionize STEM education, especially in robotics. His passion? Making complex concepts simple and accessible to all. During the workshop, Rajiv and Bharat introduced the basics of robotics in a way that was both engaging and practical. They didn't just talk the talk, they walked the walk. Demonstrations brought theories to life, showing educators and students alike how to integrate robotics into the classroom. But they didn't stop there. Rajiv shared instructional materials and basic building kits specially developed for this initiative. Imagine the thrill of building your own robot right there in the classroom. This workshop was more than just an event. It was an experimental experience that sparked creativity and innovation. It opened new doors for classroom learning, making it more interactive and relevant to the real world. This first-of-its-kind workshop is a big step forward. It's paving the way for new initiatives and inspiring a future where robotics isn't just a subject, but a thrilling adventure. So, stay tuned, tech enthusiasts. The world of educational robotics is just getting started. Who knows? The next big innovation could be coming from a classroom at APS Umroi. Catch you in the next one.